How much oil are you using for everyday cooking? The study has shown that on an average of 3 to 4 people in a house, you're using 3 to 4 liters of oil per month. That is huge. First of all, you're consuming a ton of calories because every fat gram has got around 9 calories. That means you're consuming a calorie dense food. It is not nutrient dense but calorie dense. Okay, the next thing is you're using the cheap oil. If you're using the regular oil from what you get in the regular grocery store, that's a huge problem. I'm talking about the vegetable oil. I'm talking about the regular cooking oil, sunflower oil and things like that. What is going to happen is that the first thing is you're consuming like a ton of calories, and the next thing is you are consuming the cheap calories. What's going to happen is the first initial stages you are going to have consequences like hitting your gut bacteria, which is mitochondrial DNA is the first thing that tends to get weaker because you're putting in this kind of a load and it's not able to take it. So there is a huge imbalance in your hormones. All right, that's on the initial stage, and eventually as you know it's about the cancer, it's about cholesterol, heart condition and things like that. Okay, so stick with the minimum. I would say for 3 to 4 members in a house, you can manage with 1.5 to 2 liters of oil for your regular cooking. And go with the coconut oil or the peanut oil. Peanut oil, you can go for a little lesser quantity. Coconut oil is really good. Again, you have to find the best one. And third one is the olive oil. And these are the top oils that I would recommend for you to go ahead. Again, when you're buying it, just make sure that you are buying it from a trusted, reliable source so that you get the best of it and not the adulterated version of it.